Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get started with the Efik Zara insane hair growth grease mixture. Anyway, I'm going to use my Suffer 8 light version. I had some left over from my previous videos. Those will be linked down below if you want to watch them. Also, the same thing with my Do Grow. I had some left over as well, as you can see. So I'm just going to simply empty those containers out. And then once I empty all of the grease from the containers, I'm going to melt them down. Also, I forgot to mention that I am using a black castor oil hair pomade as well. I'm going to melt that down as well. Now that everything is melted down, I'm simply going to add the Aperniki balm. Guys, this Aperniki, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, it smells so strong. It's something like a vapor rub, to be honest with you. It is a muscle reliever, pain reliever as well. So as mentioned in Efik Zara's video, she emptied the whole container into the mixture, and I'm doing the exact same thing. Next, of course, is my wild growth oil. I simply had just a little bit remaining, so I'm simply going to add that to my mixture as well. Next is my Bio 7. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just going to add a little bit, just a droplet or not. Next, of course, is half a spoonful of sulfur. Maybe a teaspoon would work. Sulfur is extremely great for the scalp. I highly recommend it, but simply go ahead and mix it in your mixture there as well. Next, of course, you're going to need Macona's oil. I actually prefer Monistat, like Monistat 7, like the cream, but Macona's oil is one of the best. Efik Zara had that in the description box, so yeah. My only thing is I should have used this when my mixture was cooled down a bit, because it's hard to mix right now. So that's my only thing I would recommend. Wait till your mixture is cool and then add the Macona's oil later. Next, of course, you're going to add your mixture into a container, which you're going to use. So of course, you can see the big mess I made there, but that's my container I'm using. Last but not least, everyone, you're going to need some essential oils. My favorites are tea tree, peppermint, and lavender, which you see there. And I'm simply going to add just a couple of droplets of each essential oil. Alrighty, so once everything is all mixed and well, you can store in your refrigerator and simply take it out when you're ready to use. Thank you for watching.